Hello, we're going to have a look at how to do reverse applique. So reverse applique means when you cut out a shape and you put a piece of fabric behind it. So here's one I've done earlier, and to make this shape I've just popped my fabric in half and I've cut out a square, and you can see that's a gap in the middle. And then what I'm going to do is lay a different fabric underneath. So this is quite a simple reverse applique, and once you get the hang of it you can make it more complex. And then what we do is get our pins and pin it in place. So you'll notice, I'll show you in a second, that my square is bigger than the space because that is a lot easier for you to sew. So I'm just going to pop a pin. So as you can see, I've got some linen fabric here which is a bit more difficult to work with because it's quite stretchy. But I chose it because I like the contrast between the linen and the thicker calico fabric underneath. Okay, so pin nicely in place, and then at the back you can see it goes over the square. If you try to match up that shape, it's going to be really difficult for you to sew. So then when we sew, we can either do this on the machine or we can do it by hand. You want to leave 1 centimetre and sew around the edges. Unless you want to do something decorative, you might use a blanket stitch that goes around here, or a zigzag could be quite nice. And I'm going to show you both options in a different video. There you go.